Over the last 5 years, I have specialized in family sponsorship, and I have taken on many clients after refusal when they have done the application themselves and did not have a positive outcome. So, I have compiled a list of 5 of the most common mistakes that I see when I evaluate a big range of DIY applications that did not have a successful outcome. One would be discrepancies in address history. This is particularly important with common law relationships or with applicants that are in Canada and applying under spouse or common law partner in Canada category. Number 2 would be meeting your partner online, having a short courtship, an age difference, or a cultural difference that has not been explained in your application. 3 would be not providing the proper documentation to support the type of relationship you're in. If it's a common law partnership, then you need to prove that you've been residing together for a minimum of 12 consecutive months and that any time away from each other has been brief and temporary. If you are married, you need to register your marriage in the jurisdiction that it took place and provide your official marriage certificate. If you have any previous marriages or common law partnerships, it's imperative to provide the documentation that proves that those are no longer valid relationships under immigration law. The 4th most common mistake that I see people make is not providing sufficient documentation to demonstrate shared expenses, shared finances, and shared responsibilities within the relationship. Any legitimate couple does share these things, and it's very important to show that in your application to the visa officer. And last, but certainly not least, is not providing sufficient proof of communication or sufficient wedding and relationship photos. You have to remember that every relationship is unique, which means that every application to sponsor a spouse or partner is unique. There's no standard set of documents that will prove that a relationship is genuine. It has to come with all of the right explanations and all of the right documentation that pertains to your specific circumstances. Remember that the onus is always on the applicant to prove that their relationship is genuine.